Hello again, I'm on this radio, Cobra 29 Classic. Like I said, I'm not sure what the year is of this thing is. It's probably an 05 or an 03, but by the looks of it, it's old. But that is what I had to replace. If you can see it. Diode. Looks like one of those right there. But I took it out of this board. And also take out a resistor because 118 in there, if you can see it right there. See how charred that is? I took it out, that board, that circuit board, put it there. I looked everywhere online for the schematics. 118 is not on. I can't get any further than this radio because all radios are the same. Apparently, that's what they say. They haven't changed them since years, but this is, I don't know what the year of this board is. Don't know, but that was burned out. And he said that that thing there, LED light, was a fuse. There's the resistor that came out. That's the diode that came out. Part of it more is right here. And he had that thing right there, as you see in my other videos. Soldered right there. Yeah, right there. I took it out, turned the radio on, and nothing's hot on the board. Because before it was hot around here somewhere when I hooked that light up. Now I know why. This here, and plus the diode back on. Where did I solder it? Around here somewhere. Can't even find my solder. On over here, right there. I soldered that right there. Get a pencil or something. I'll use it. Let's see here. Here's a pen. Soldered right there. And it's connected. Sorry, those two joints with the resistor and cleaning it up in here with rubbing alcohol. But you can see all the mangled mess he did. He really made a mess of this board. It says PC900. Maybe if I put that in a computer, it might give me an idea of how old this board is. So I'm going to hook up the mic and see if I get a... Well, first I got to hook up the speaker. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I got the speaker hooked up. There's a hissing noise. And somebody just flushed the fucking toilet. Anyway, as I said, I felt around. Oh, there's solder drop. Ain't my shit. Right there. Solder right there. That ain't my works. That's right into the plug. I'm gonna have to leave it there. What the hell is that? Anyways, I've been into the... I guess I'll be leaving that there. That's on there. What the hell is solder? Well, things hot enough or not. Oh, there it goes. Oops. Anyway, it's off of there. Sort of. It's got to have to stay there. As long as it's not into the plastic. Ouch. There it goes. Now it's off. There. No damage. It's off. Okay. So, I'm going to hook this sucker up. Put it back together. Hook it up to the antenna and see what my SWR says and all that. See what it says. Alright. Well, here's the radio all hooked up. All I have to do is turn it on. Turn it on. I'm getting something. I'm not sure it's going to be working or not. Check the call. Check the SWR. Oh, she's working. But there's nobody on tonight. Check 40. 1. Writing down works. 1. Call. Right there. 40. Call. Doesn't even move. Flat as can be. So. Let's skip. Radio check, radio check. Anybody out there? Radio check. Radio check, radio check. Anybody out there? Radio check. How you doing? Let's skip. Skip. Nobody's on tonight, so I can't find out if the radio's working good or not. Anyway, that's about the end of this video. The antenna light does come on, so it's working great. So I just fixed the radio. Changing capacitors, diode. Took out that stupid LED light he had in there for he used to call it a fuse. The boiler doesn't get hot like it did, so it's working. As far as I know. All I can figure there might be a 1990, around 1990s area for this Cobra 29 LTD Classic. How am I sounding on this radio? I'm doing a radio check on the old Classic I just fixed. Coming in nice and strong?
You sound alright.
Low?
Yes?
Am I giving you for a signal? I said, what am I giving you for a signal?
Yes, 10-4.
Well, anyway, it works. He doesn't understand what the hell I'm talking about. So what are you up to tonight?
Oh, watch TV.
I got radio working. How's it sound?
You're sounding good.
How's my modulation?
Yes, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. Why am I pushing you?
Raise the whole thing up.
The whole green?
Yeah, like the whole thing.
Okay, I gotcha. Alright, let's go watch the TV. Thanks for the check.
Yeah, 10-4.
I had to change a few diodes and capacitor in this radio, so hopefully it's working great now the board's not getting hot.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, I'll talk to you later.
yeah. Yeah, 10-4.
I'm out. So anyway, as I was talking to a little guy, he said I'm coming good, nothing clear. He was giving me about a 1 on this, but with this thing here it gives me about a 3 because the bass is different. I could have to tune something up, but I don't think the needle's tuned in right for picking people up for the signal for receiving. So anyway, it works, and that's about it. So using a stock mic. If I had the power mic on, it'd probably be a little different, but anyway. That's it. I'll talk to you later. I thought I'd add something to this video. We've been having strange things happen in this house. I don't know, things moving around, things... weird shit. Anyway, as I was recording, this mic here was plugged into the radio sitting on top of the Washington unit. And it was pushed in, it goes in hard, this part here, or it goes in hard inside the mic goes into, this thing here goes into. Anyway, it was hanging down like so. I was in the other room, and this thing, I heard it bounce, fall out, and it was laying right there. So how could it, when the radio was sitting here, plugged in on the side, fall down, it would get caught in the cords, but it was sitting right there. So I thought I'd let you guys know that there's things happening in this house I cannot explain. But that's another story. I'll probably do a video of that sometime. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. I thought I'd recap that into this video that I'm doing about this radio. Anyway, ciao.